Ingrown toenail is a common problem among many people, and it occurs when the side of a toenail develops into the soft flesh, especially on the big toe. It's a painful experience as the affected area gets swollen and irritated. However, the sign of relief is this condition doesn't end up in any serious infections. In some cases, if the condition is mild, you can treat this problem within the comfort of your own home. But if you have an infected ingrown toenail, never try to treat or lift it because it will only welcome more bacteria into that place. If you have diabetes or simply the home remedies do not work for you, then it is better to consult a podiatrist and opt for treatments that include partial or entire removal of the nail or removal of the nail and tissue by a podiatric surgeon. However, as we mentioned earlier, there are at-home remedies for mild cases regarding ingrown toenails. Let's take a look at them now. Soaking feet in warm water. Soaking your feet in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day will provide you with relief. You can also add Castile soap in the water for added comfort, and this entire activity will help to take care of swelling and tenderness of the affected area. Epsom salt, apple cider vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide soak. Epsom salt is enriched in magnesium, which aids in inflammation. On the other hand, apple cider vinegar is also known to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. Hydrogen peroxide is another one which works as a disinfectant. You can use these ingredients separately to create a mixture in warm water and soak your feet for relief. In case of the apple cider vinegar soak, use half cup of apple cider vinegar in a bucket of warm water. 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt is required for each quart of warm water when it comes to the Epsom salt soak. And in case of hydrogen peroxide soak, mix at least 3% of the ingredient of every half cup of warm water. Applying antibiotic cream. You can apply antibiotic cream on the affected and tender area and keep it bandaged to minimize the risk of any infection. Selecting comfortable footwear. Shoes that do not fit properly are one of the major causes behind the occurrence of ingrown toenails. Try to go for a sandal or open-toed shoe that will fit you quite well and won't create any pressure on your toenails. Taking OTC pain relievers. Over-the-counter pain relievers can help to take care of the pain caused by ingrown toenail. Choose one cautiously according to the recommended daily amount, as these can cause side effects in your body. These are some of the home remedies that you can try for mild cases, but if these remedies do not help and your condition becomes serious, consult your podiatrist at your earliest convenience and take necessary steps to treat ingrown toenails. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.